Wanna enjoy this moment? I got you. That is why the Sippi cup is here. Yes, the Sippi cup. We serve the best local drinks and snacks. We have Sobolo, Asana, palm wine, corn wine, pito, coconut, fruit juice, and many more. We also have snacks such as peanut brittle or enkati cake, polo biscuits, plantain chips, coated granite, and many more. We also serve gizzard, pork chops, gakenki with fish, fried eggs, and more. We're located at Sapaman, Accra. We are here to serve you, so call us for all your events. Call us on 0549 933226 or 0543 722409 or email us at sippycap@gmail.com or sippy_cap on Instagram. Relax whilst we serve you the best. The Sippi Cup. Enjoy every moment.